Daing na Bangus. This Filipino dish is very easy to make, now that you can buy Boneless Bangus, Milkfish, in most supermarkets. Daing is a manner of preparing fish and other seafoods in the Philippines. Some preparation are salted and sun-dried. Ingredients: 2 pieces Boneless Bangus, Butterflied with skin on. Milkfish, 2/3 cup vinegar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper, 4 cloves crushed garlic, 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Marinating instructions: flatten bangus with skin on top and place in baking pan, or any flat surface like baking pan. Sprinkle the crushed garlic on all the bangus surface. Now pour in vinegar, then season with pepper and salt. Safely cover and marinate bangus in the refrigerator overnight to get full flavor. Cooking procedure: in a hot frying pan, add the 4 tablespoons of cooking oil and heat till it just starts to smoke over medium-high heat. Place the bangus fillet, skin side down. Lower heat to medium and cook uncovered about 4 minutes each side. Brown the marinated garlic and place it on top of the bangus. Or grilled pork belly needs no introduction at all.